How to fix CapCut export errors or stuck on 0% rendering. Let's get started. First, close the CapCut app and again relaunch it. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. Next, free up storage space. CapCut needs up to 2 to 4 GB of free space to render and export videos. To check that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone Storage. From here, you can delete the unused app or you can upload it. Likewise, clear CapCut cache. For that, from this list, find CapCut. Once you find it, launch it. Then you'll need to click on the option Upload app. Click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. Next, update the CapCut app. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app CapCut. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, lower the export resolution. While you are exporting the video, you'll need to click on this drop down and you'll need to lower the resolution. Try rendering at 720p instead of 180p or 4K. This reduces the processing load and prevents freezing. If it's a long or complex project, split it into parts, export each part separately and merge them later. Long timelines often cause crashes during export. If none of these solutions work, completely delete CapCut from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the CapCut app. Select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app CapCut and then install it. Next, don't use corrupt or unsupported video audio files. Re-import clean files from your phone gallery. And that's it. With this solution, your CapCut export errors are stuck on 0% rendering will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.